Hello, this is Alessio. Today is Tuesday, the 4th of January, and we're going to analyze two stocks within the ETF arc of Cathie Wood as always. First of all, going to wish you a happy new year, all of you. Hope you had a wonderful time with the holidays. And now we can actually start and see what's going on. So I'm going to start off today with EXAS, which is Exact Sciences Corp. And this is quite a tricky chart, I'm not gonna lie. At this stage, we can either consider this primary wave 4 as incomplete, and that would set place for a triangle in the making, so that would take years, because this would be a wave A, up for B, we would now be going down for wave C of the triangle, and then D and E. So that's a possibility, or else, which is what I'm tracking down right now, the possibility that wave 4 completed with a couple lows, and now we are making a diagonal and a diagonal into wave 5. So of course, with an ending diagonal, we would have the subwaves being a series of 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. So A, B, C, WXY, and then again we could go higher for A, B, C for wave 3. Now, the area of support which I pointed out in the updates were this. So at this point, we are in a situation where we either start to resume higher right now, or most likely we're going to crash, and at that point, it's when we can switch to the alternate of a possible triangle, or else just a regular flat correction. So that's EXAS. The next chart is Hubs, which of course is Hubspot, and here it's quite interesting. Hubs has been following the forecast so far by the letter 1, 2, and then again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So potentially now we could have a little move higher for wave 4 of minute degree. But what's important, and what I want to show you today, is that if we zoom out from the cover lows, and here we are in a log scale, you can't see it, but trust me, we're in a log scale. It looks like this rally has completed, because this is getting quite large compared to the entire move up. Now, if I switch to arithmetic scale, which I'm going to do in just a second, that should be even more obvious. See how now this looks even larger. So, oh no, TradingView messing up all my charts. So with that, I want to say that most likely we have a very significant top in place right here, and now we could expect for the downside. So I wouldn't trade to the long side. If I had any position on it, I would exit, and I would wait for further data to kind of get an idea of what possibly going on. What we know so far is that downside should be expected, and it could be a lot. We could go all the way back to the cover lows. So that's it for me today. Let me know if you have anything to ask or anything to add, and I wish you all a happy new year and happy new trading year as well. Thanks.